Right. A quick summary I need to do for you guys, so pay attention. This video may be a little bit lengthy, but I think it's worth it, and so pay attention to get the basics. Now, I want to run a summary of our work. Your activities is based on three things: investing, trading, and affiliate rebate. Okay? Affiliate rebate system. So now let's go to the investing. First of all, the investing, I mentioned about PAYNET ecosystem. All right. So I don't need to go there for anything now, just for you to invest and make your, just for you to invest and make your 9% every month. So there's no need to go too much there. Now, on the aspect of this guy, Radium, yeah, so it's similar. What we just some coins. So, but this equally the Radium aspect to require uh some kind of movement in order to adjust, make available, push around, and all of that. Just like you can see what this one has generated over a period of time. So I need to know when to probably just leave that into run, and I need to know when to unstake. Okay. So on Radium and other platforms that we have. Okay. So this is purely passive. Okay. And that's liquidity and all of that. So I'm not going to go to those details. So you can see Solana USDC, put it, and all of that. Solana USDT, 116 APR, and all of those things. So almost the same thing. And so when some coins are dumping, they prefer to pair and do some kind of. So the investing, so take note, PayNet ecosystem. So you can afford $3,000. Well, fine. It's cool. If you can afford $15,000 to do 5 account, it's cool. Now, if you cannot afford, take note of what I'm saying now. Those of you who trade, exactly when we finish the bull run, when the market has finished its activities, it's expedient you have some USDT you cast out. So that's why I'm telling you now, you need to register and then do your register on the AFF 20 or 2024, and then do your KYC too on your FMC Pay app. Okay, so that's the first. So there's no much English or grammar in this segment. So you get this segment straight. So you are in the group, there's investing group and then trading group. So the links are there. You pick and register, and then you can have maybe $3,000 minimum expected, and I can recommend is $3,000. If you have $3,000 you can lodge in there, just know that $3,000 will pay you a salary of $270 every month. You heard me right. So that then if you have more than that, that you can keep to just making passive income on that, you can do that. Now, the next passive income, which is going to surface on two different places now, is the U trading bot. Okay. So I need to go to the U trading bot so that you understand. So the next passive income system is the U trading bot. And I'll just quickly show you how it works so that you will not too much have issues. I'll just show you quickly how it works. Okay. Let's go. I think okay. So now I'm going to just a kind of resummarizing the whole thing I just told us now. Okay, that's resummarizing there. We said three major segments we want all of us to pay attention on. Three major segments we want everyone to pay attention on. And the segments are okay. The three major segments: investing, trading, and affiliate rebate marketing. So I want to take them one after the other. So, and all of these tools I make recommendation about, but here is the conclusion of the matter. So I've been told you that you're looking at investing, right? So first of all, investing, right? Let's go this way. Okay, so investment corner. So PAYNET ecosystem. Okay, this is what you can make. So minimum I recommend for you is $3,000. So for passive income, 9% every month. Okay, and then these are the link for you to register AFF 2024, FMC Pay, and then that make sure you do your KYC on FMC Pay. Radium, Aerodrome for liquidity staking. Then you trading both. Then for stock, Piggyvest and all of that. I mean, so this is summary. Okay. Now, for those of you who attended the training and those of you in private mentorship, more detail will be dropped, but this is summary video. So the same thing, I've just like shown you the radium of the investing in radium. Right here are all of those things. So you don't need to register on radium. All you do is that you have your Phantom wallet, and then you keep your coin there, your Solana, and these guys have put perpetual to this place. I never knew. Okay. Oh, amazing. 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 Now, one of the things is that decentralized is doing a lot of massive stuff. So here is it. Okay, you can see Bitcoin now pumping because it was able to take some recovery from the bottom and all of that. Now, that's why I love using robotic, and that's why I recommend robotic, because sometimes when you panic unnecessarily, the robotic can be doing. However, you can record losses on the standard. So what I've just said here is very simple, that you do liquidity so that you do staking, purely farming and staking. Remember, the whole essence of this is that you're able to create a portfolio. Like if you look at this is a small portfolio available here, and so maybe this one was not staked, maybe it was available in the wallet, but this one is staked. All right. And so you can see this is just profit, maybe after a few days, 3 point something dollars. So this is how you'll be making passive income. At least you can't give a verdict of how many percent, but if you are very committed to always come to see which one is pumping up, you can do for like 1 month, 2 months, and all of that. And then when it's no longer profitable, I move it to another thing. That's one of the things you always need to learn. And so that is amazing. See, Solana Zeribo, 350 something percent. Let's say this stand for the next 1 month. Oh, peeping. Oh my, are you serious? Okay, so these are investing. Now, the fourth is investing that I need to now show, like you can see, robotic and partial passive income strategy, you trading both. Why do I say partial? Now, I'm going to log in another place here, right? So I'm going to follow and show you why I call it partial passive and then how you utilize it. For me, I think it's compulsory because that's where I trade futures without fear. Yes, you heard me right. This is a place I trade future without fears.
Recording in progress.
It's all right. So now I'm going to open the trading bot for you to see, and then why I recommend it for as an investment segment or passive. Okay. Number one is that the money is in your exchange. So three major exchange I recommended is Binance, Bybit, and BitGet. So I use the three anyway. Now this is it. All you need to do is that a link is already on our group. So all you need to do is that you copy the link and register. And when you copy the link to register, you just to tap on the link, it will ask you for your email, and they send a code to your email and phone number or something. Then you create the account. Very simple. Now, I haven't created the account. Then you can now connect your. Now, what I would recommend for any serious-minded person who want to trade is what I recommend for anyone who want to be very serious using this, because the higher the gas you purchase, all right, the faster your trading bot frequency. So what I recommend is $540 gas. Yes, you heard me right. That's what I recommend for anyone who really want to take it very seriously. And then also, if you look at it, there are futures in this. Okay, there are futures because you can see the market was having a heavy drawdown, and that's why you see only Avas is giving negative of $147. I like using this bot. Let's look at this bot now. This bot was set, or is it the SUI? Oh, yes. Okay, it has done 6%, right? 6%, which is about, if you look at it, 6%, which is about $14. And this bot has spent, let's see, it has only spent 5 days. 5 days as 17 hours. And what was allocated maybe $100 plus or so. 6% that give $14, that will be how many dollar allocated? I wouldn't know. So, but this is just to show you how this one had traded and then give profit. So I use this a lot because I could see, look at the record that has been doing sui, taking profit at 77 cents, $2.15, all right, 73 cents, 94 cents, okay, 87 cents, 79 cents, no money here, $1, 1 cent, $1.47. I think I love this strategy. So, but I'm not going to go to those details. So what I want you to do right now is that you take a link and register. It has different futures, and that's why I call it a passive partial investment. The only headache you need to have first is to register. And having registered as your first headache is to now come to this asset here and click on deposit and deposit at least $600 or minimum of $540. You can do bigger than that, but this is what I recommend. But if you don't have enough money, you can put $100, but best bet, minimum of $540. And I will explain that over time, but no time to do this because this is a summary. Now, if that is the case, you copy the wallet address and send in your money. Having sent in your money, right? If you have interest in doing affiliate promotion over time, I would recommend when you send in the money, you come back here and click UGAS. And I would recommend, instead of you buying UGAS from here, I would recommend you go to this CVIP so that you can buy UGAS with this in this section. So it can allow you to have some whatever kind of ranking on time. So that's the first thing I would recommend. So this bot had all these functions automated. I'm not recommending the automated to anybody because it drags for long. So synchronize. If you are a trader, you want to set up for people to copy your signal. Now, the you trading to give signals. Look at signals. Look at future signal. They have told somebody to trade. They have sent message for you to long 1 inch. So the signal just push. This one signal on this just push. Okay, XRP, right? This one on spot. So if you just tap it, it will take the trade. but there's a way we used to do it. But the one I recommend and I use, because we have settings we give, is this one. Unless you are not serious to be attentive. Attentive means not you to be technically inclined. Just when you activate the account, you are added on the group, so you'll be following the procedure and recommendation we give. All right. And another one you can see is that even here, if you look at the signal here, go to admin, you will see that they have recommended some coin that you should look at. Look at, although if your account is new, you may not have this number. So, and your money, if it's small, you will have this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coin. What I do here, when they send this coin, I will not do my own technical analysis about that. All right. So that's how I do. If you look at this account, it starts with $100. Let's see what is the worth of profit it has done so far. And this is just like, okay, it's going to 3 months now. Okay, you can see no day it didn't make money. If you didn't make money in future, you will make money in spot. This is $100. I've not changed the money. I only just leave the $100 to be trading. And look at this is what it has accumulated, so far. So the U trading bot is, I can say I recommend it because I don't need to bother myself about my future trading. No, I don't need to. Seriously. And you can imagine, I'm not sure if you have a place you can be making little money this way. I'm not sure it's going to be a bad one. And I think I'll take just one time to now explain the affiliate segment of it. If you look at this account, it's at level, okay, it's at level 2, level 3, to be earning direct commission of about 40%, and then indirect commission of about 10%. And I think there are other commissions or bonuses that the account can earn based because of the rank level, probably the account is. So those that have time to do affiliate. So but we can look at the account now. So far, when it's not even aggressive, direct commission will be $1,230 something dollars. Indirect is about $700. Put together is close to $2,000 as just affiliate commission. So that is just basic about the U trading, and I recommend it. So it come out both in investing and at the same time on trading, but this is robotic. So I've used this to conclude just everything about the robotic on U trading and as an investment platform. Thank you. Okay, so now let's go to the next segment. We are going to so other investment is the stock, both local stock, like in Nigeria, Nigerian stock, and then international stock. So I have different platforms I use for that. So if you are interested in stock, which I equally recommend. So sometimes people say, why would I? Yes, you can have some, that's called diversification. Optimus is there. I have sent a link. You have the Merritrade is there. I've sent a link. And Piggyvest is there. I've sent a link and all of that. Now let's go to the trading career. Now, on future, if you want to do manual, I recommend CoinW. Okay? If you want to do manual, I recommend CoinW. Automated, of course, U trading bot. I don't need to go back there. So then, but you need to register on Binance, on Bybit, and BitGet. But Binance and BitGet have more coins that you can actually connect to trade. Down the next is the low GEMS and MEMECOIN robot. I've shown you how that works. Now, if you go to robot, if I go to Trojan bot, so Trojan bot, so if you're on the group, so use the link to register, just to connect. So look at when we do example of percentage. So all you do, I give you the settings. I give you the settings. When you do the settings, and then automatic taking profit and all the like. So you will be able to do as much as possible. So Trojan bot. And so for us to trade, okay, so for us to trade on the, excuse me, for us to trade on the Trojan boat, that means you are going to need, those area we discussed about, like, what's this one called? Like this place. This is a place where you are going to look for some tokens, all right? Copy the contract address. So very simple. And what do you do? Copying the contract address, how? We search for coin, for instance. If I come back here now and I want to search for a coin, say I come here, I say pairs, a new pairs, maybe if it's Solana based, so I say new pairs, and I say, okay, within 24 hours, yes, that is the liquidity. So I want to look at liquidity should be within 50,000, yes, okay. And I come here, I click on, look at this. I want to filter. So I come to filters, and then it's there already there, 24 hours. Then, but I say I want to go to Solana, not all the chains. I click save and I click apply. So by the time I do that, I come back to this place. Look at this place that we see where you see in this minute. So I continue to click it to give me those that just came in now. Okay. So look at it. So you can see some of them. I saw this pump fee somewhere. So let me just click it. And then you are going to see. But I saw this pump fee, but I was busy. Now, if you look at it, this is a token that just created. You see how, let's look at it. What is the age of this token? This is how people make massive money. This is just about 8 hours ago, okay? When I'm trading this, I go with seconds. But it has crossed the seconds level because of wave it must have created. So, but if you look at it, you know that people have made a lot of money here already, while you are still looking at, okay, so it has created waves. When I go into seconds, like 15 seconds or 1 second, that time has actually passed anyway. So, but you are looking at what I say, this coin or trading meme coins, I trade in stages, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Okay. So stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Okay. Because stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 create waves. Okay. So perhaps if you look at it now, 1, 2, and 3, then we expect it to dump and now come and then grab the top of the first stage and now start the second stage. Now it's already in second stage. So, but some persons who have come in and they know what they are doing in trading and all of that, they have made a lot of money in stage 1 is about 300%. But this can be more risky, when you are trading on the first stage but after the stage 1, then you are going into 1 minute, 5 minute period time frame, and then the coin at that time must have created some good activities and then narrative and all of that. So with that, that's what you see it's doing now, is pumping massively. Okay, so low gem, profitable stuff. Now, if you look at it, if I check, imagine after dumping, look at, has done another 150%. Then how do I trade it? I haven't checked and I see it's wonderful. All I do is to copy the contract address, all right? And I go to my Telegram, and that was why I told you about Trojan, and I paste it. I hope I didn't have money here. So I paste it. So what if there's money there, it's just going to buy automatically. But if there's no money, of course, it's going to tell us insufficient fund. Are you Holy Ghost? There's money there. It has bought. This is a mistake. Oh, I never. Does that mean I have a coin that was sold? Because I thought I do not have enough money here. So I just jump in at the middle, which is not supposed to be. But I never thought I still have enough money there. That was why I just went ahead and bought. Okay. I never thought I still have money there. But nevertheless, not an issue. So if you look at it now, that's look at it now. Showing my balance. Okay, I'm not having enough money there now. So now let's go. Let's look at it. I click on position, right? So I click on position, all right? So as I click on position, I want to see the coin we just bought now. The coin we just bought now, we probably were in profit. What is the name of the coin? Pump fee. So pump fee, if I click now, we are in about 3% profit, okay? Okay, about 4%. Look at it. We're about 4% profit. So now there's a way I set my take profit. If I leave it to get there, all right, it will take profit for me. Are you seeing it? Now, this is the simplest way. The one that is more difficult in wow, amazing. Can you see? Is pumping massively. So let's go to my boat and see. Let's refresh it again. Let's refresh it again. I actually see this pump feed today in the morning, but now I'm on 17% profit. You heard me right? So I'm on 17% profit. 17% profit. Where are you? Okay. All right. So let's go there. Okay. It has dropped to 14%. It has dropped to 14%. So this is how, look at it, it has dropped to 14%. So if I like, I want to sell, I'm just giving you an example on how this works. So if I want to sell, I can sell it manually, or I can, so where is the coin itself? Okay, that's the one that is click. So if I want to sell it, I can sell it manually. So just for me to come to sell, okay, but I set both to sell. But if I want to just sell it manually, I can come here, and then how many percent do I want to sell, or a fraction, or all? Okay, come on, let's go back, and you are going to see what percentage is seated on now, because it has just pumped up again now. Let me refresh. Okay, it has dropped again, but nevertheless, we are still in profit. Amazing. It's about 26% right now. Okay, 17%. Oh, sorry about that. It's about 26% on Solana. So let's refresh it. So like I told you, if I want to sell it now, I click on sell, because if I want to sell manually, I click on the coin itself. How many percent do I want to sell? Okay, all right. Or I want to put a sell limit. Can put it on sell limit. So if I want to sell everything now, I just click on this 100%. All right. Can you see now? Okay, no enough you got say you guys, no enough Solana to help me for transaction fee. So that is it, and that's what you need to understand when it has to do with this. So it has pumped. Assuming now I have some this, I will sell. But it's risky anyway. Don't do this. I'm just using it as an example. And then, so when I'm done with this training, I probably will come back to do the needful. But you can imagine when you now track a coin, and imagine you start even at the wave two of it, this is 240%. Amazing, right? That's how this opportunity can be. All right. So that's about the low gem kind of activities for trading low gems, robotic on low gems, and all the like. Okay, so now let's go quickly. I need to go to the next segment. So low gem, robotic, and all the like. So you need to understand this, very simple. So that's a career trading crypto. So futures, spot. Okay, so I trade spot both on that U trading board. Then so manual spot, you know how that is being done. Now, so then there's a prop firm company called Hyro Trader. Those of you who don't have money to trade, or you want big money, but you don't have. So you can subscribe for Hyro Trader is a prop firm account, and you can go for challenge account. Of course, condition attached. So you can pay for maybe $5,000 challenge account, or $10,000 challenge account, or I think a $25,000 challenge account, $50,000 challenge account, up to $100,000. So how it was when you are interested. There's a link I've sent, and then when you click, one of the lovely aspects is that you can even create when you create your account, you can go for free trial for 7 days. Okay, so if it's 10,000, there's a fee for it. I don't know, maybe $150. All right, to buy $10,000 challenge account, 25,000 maybe 300 something dollars, 50,000 is about 400, and I can't remember, but the costs are there. Okay, assuming, okay, let's even look at it. Assuming we want to buy a challenge account, all right? Aha, lovely. So want to buy a challenge account, okay? Okay. So they have one step, they have two step. How much is this one? $25,000, 329, 300. So if you want to buy $50,000 challenge account, $539. If you want to buy $100,000 account, $799. But if you want to do two step, that is level 1 and level 2, that is pass 10% and 5%, making 15% altogether. Okay. For 50,000, you are paying $399. For 25,000, you are paying $299. For 10,000, you are paying $159. While for 5,000, you are paying 89. Okay, so you can see them now. So when you register, you can go for the free trials, but make sure you have Bybit account to connect your account for that. And that's how this will actually work. You want more detailed information, and of course, more detail when you register. We put it through on how this is actually done. Okay, so now that's about your trading on crypto. Now let's go to Forex. On your Forex, this is what I recommend for you if you want to start the Forex. We all know that one of the major challenge with trading Forex is funding equity. So we have a platform that you can go for challenge account, which is prop firm. But the difference between this prop firm is that you have access to information and training. Okay? You have access to information and training. Even this Hyro trader, I think they are Hyro trading. I think you have what's it called? You have Discord channel. You can see some of them giving, yeah, I know you mean. All right. So trading ideas. So people are sending some chat and all of that. Okay. You can see some people together, they are doing, chatting that you may even take advantage of. Can you see now? So when you sign up on Hyro Traders, you ask me how to go about connecting to platform where you have access to information and all of that. So that's one of the things. So now going into Aka's X, I will explain something very briefly on that. You're going to register and you can have access to education, tap to trade, and all the like. And once you register, and there's about two options. First option is you register and activate for monthly. Monthly, you pay $150. That's a $149. Now, this $149 is for the academy, for you to have access to information, signals, and even the type of signal you have, both the one you copy and trade and the one you just tap to accept. That's one of the fantastic thing about that. So when you register with this link, and then, so if you look at it, it's powered by, this platform is powered because that's the kind of collaboration, right, by My Daily Choice. So this is My Daily Choice. Look at my account, for instance. When you register, of course, you probably want to go to shop. Okay, you probably want to go to shop when you register, and then it's going to ask you to shop. So when you go to shop, you are going to see shop product, and then you click on financial education or something. All right, so look at it. If I click here now, so you see, if I click on product, so you can see digital, and then you see financial education. So when you click on the financial education, you can see ACAS X. All right, and there's a promo that is going on. That's the advantage. Now, you will click on Hackers X. If you are doing monthly, you pay 149. But the promo that is going on now, if you are doing yearly before is 1,005. But the promo will end on the 15th of January this month, 2025. Then you are paying $999. Let's call it 1,000. What are the benefits you have? Look at it. Trading academics, amazing. Live session, all right. Building trading tools, live trade alert, trading scanners, tap to trade. Then you are giving 200,000 trading challenge account. You heard me right. 200,000 challenge account. Free. You are giving free. Yes, you are giving free. That's it. Now, if I log in just to show you how my own back office look like, you now, let's just a moment. Excuse me. All right. Now, all those things I just told you, you can see this, my account is active. Right? So this is my account. I do not have enough time to even come there to do most things. You can see the account is active, is on $25,000 account, challenge account. Now, when you trade, of course, the condition will be explained to you. Now, but one of the lovely things that the account is connected. Are you getting me now? The account is connected. Look at what is your education. You have people, look at the academy. The academy, you can learn everything, platform, tutorial, beginners, advanced, expert. So even if you're an expert, you want to learn more, to understand more, then you have live section. Okay, I think I saw one live section, maybe they have even started. Okay, you have live section. Okay, so there's a live section. This one start 2 a.m. I think I saw on the app. So that you will join and be following, learning, and then they will take trade together and all of that. That's one of the amazing things. You have all the educators, they are there and all of that, right? So you have trade alert. Here is trade alert. See trade alert. Okay, now there's a trade that was sent not long on gold. Okay, for people to enter ASAP at this and stop loss here, TP1, TP2, TP3 in that order, TP4. Then you can check some other ones that have come and gone and the profit recorded. Tap to trade. This one, look at it. When it comes, you will see it to be rolling in seconds, maybe like 40 seconds. Your own is just to click to accept. That's why they say, if you didn't meet up that time, they say it's expired, right? So it's expired. These are the things you are going to be maximizing when you come into this place. Now, this same thing connects with a broker called Trade Mastery, but you have to register to see what people are doing on the Trade Mastery using this Hackers X. See this person is on 10,000 challenge account. Because 10,000 challenge account is that when you activate for 1 month period, you have $10,000 challenge account. Look at current equity of this person, 12,000 and all of that. He had been trading. He was only active for 34 days. So a month plus, and that means he had even passed the challenge and all of that. So these are the things you understand. This person is 100,000 challenge account and look at what he's doing. There are so many things you will see. Now, people who have completed, right? Yeah, okay. So that's one of the things I want you to see and maximize here. So if you have $1,000, I think it will be very fantastic and amazing for you to go for 999 to take advantage of this promo. The first is that you have access to it for 1 year, and then you have everything. Let me show you the mobile version of it. And so it's both mobile version friendly and at the same time web friendly. You look at it. This is my own app here. So look at educators. Okay, this guy, they have started, right? If I want to watch, right? These are free education for you. They are live. Okay? They are live. I just want to okay, there is it. So they are live, whatever, and then you can be following, take trade with them and all the like. Are you getting it now? All right. So now let's go. You have those options I've mentioned, the live trade alert. Look at the trade alert. All right. This guy sent this how many hours ago? 1 hour ago. This one they say expired, maybe after they have taken the trade and all the like. And then tap to trade, tap to trade. You just tap and it will go to your, as you tap, it will just go straight to your broker. You don't even need to open your MT4 or MT5. You just go there and trade. Okay, so that is because this summary is very important for a lot of you who do not know what we're maximizing and then how it actually works and all the like. Okay, so Akas X, the first. So if you now want to do like independent account to register for your Forex without prop firm, then you can use either Admiras or Capital Extend. But we're working much with Capital Extend right now. So you can register either as you choose. Then next, which is the last, is the synthetic trading platform. So we're working with WellTrade now. So WellTrade is one of the amazing platforms that is printing money. So you register, then you have derive. And I make specific explanation that on WellTrade, this is what we are doing there. Okay, so this guy I have done, but I knew that I was going to dump. Okay, so now, so what we do on WellTrade is that we are trading volatility instrument, right? You can see, so those instruments, we are trading volatility instrument. My best two instrument is FS Volt 99 and FS Volt 80. But this is the warning I give to most of us that don't trade these two if you don't have minimal equity. You can see when I enter this market today, that's printed enough money. Can you see? And I tell people, as if you do not have minimum of $1,000 in your as your equity, don't come into this because it's highly volatile. It's too speedy. Are you getting it down? But that's how joy, amazing it is to trade. I love it, right? So that's it. You can see how the trade has run. There was a trade we entered yesterday, is this, and I swing it. And there you go now, probably maybe finding a return, but I was already done. So whatever thing he wants to do now, we only watch to see. There's a trade that was dragging, maybe it's going to give us negative. You see this one is just dragging unnecessarily, all of that. So you can see, so most of the thing we do here is that we look at the markets inwardly and then take advantage of it. So, but what I always tell people is that just start from where you are. Fantastic. This trade was called on the other WhatsApp group we are, all right, in our group, and then it already closed the trade. And now looking at either get rejected or continue and all of that. So printing money here is very, very easy. I'm telling you, it's very, very easy. Let me look at this. If I see anyone that, oh, amazing, because yesterday I was there to check, and then that's amazing, and all of that. So this is WellTrade. And so when you register on WellTrade, you see this thing I just brought up. We show you where to click to see the tool. If you go back of it, you click on education webinar, and then it will pop up, and then you now see tools, and you click on trading view chart. Then you're going to see this type of chart to view your market. Are you getting it now? So, but of course, when you register on WellTrade, you are going to have access to your own account to trade and all the like. So then last is the synthetic derivative platform that I'll use in trading. So there are few instruments I trade there, which is I trade more of boom and crash here. And the most boom I recommended, I love more, is boom 1000. Not because I'm the creator, but because it actually balance equation is user friendly and is easy for both beginner and advanced. Okay. And like yesterday, I was showing that, okay, when you are doing trading on this, most time as a beginner, instead to stress yourself unnecessarily, just use 200 moving average so that to know when you are still bearish and know when you are bullish. Are you getting it now? So look, I imagine this is a massive move. Yesterday we were talking about it and it actually complete the journey. So what I do mostly here is if I come check on my daily time frame, I go down to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 3 minutes. Okay. And then begin to catch whatever thing I can catch. All right. You can see after rolling this 15 minutes, he came back and grabbed the liquidity. And then from there, that was a massive and amazing, massive move there, as it were. So, but what I always recommend is that if you are trading this instrument, um, don't trade other instrument like the volatility, maybe V75 and all of that. Just face the boom 100, boom 1000, as it were. But if you have time when you trade this, so you can see that this one was a good opportunity to have entered, and how you look at it, this is a low. So after that, you have another. So here it's still a downtrend. So because you need to be careful, if this is not grabbed and surpassed, then it's going to be rejected here. But before whatever, when you are a scalper using 3 minutes or 5 minutes or even 1 minute, you will have made some money. Okay. So here is 3 minutes. Okay. I haven't seen that there's a market structure shift. So you are looking at either you conclude the journey here or conclude it at the top. So the same way 5 minutes can still do a similar thing for you, right? So you are still looking at it here. So either I conclude the journey here or it come to conclude the journey here. These are liquidity. All right. So, but at the end of the day, you will be in profit. Okay. So now going to your crypto, that's your future, even setting our you trading bot and all of that. This is what I do. And that's what I recommend. And I say on your trading view, right? I say on your trading view, very simple. What are you supposed to do? You have select coin you want to be trading. Let me say I take deep because this have been a very amazing token, and then take deep and SUI itself. You can see SUI now, so you can see the bounce. That was amazing. Now, what I do is, okay, let me just go to, I use tool, and then instead of disturbing myself unnecessarily, okay, so gold is still pumping after. So now this is gold, for instance. Oh, sorry, we're not talking of gold here, talking of crypto first. Let's look at Avers, for instance, and look at Avers, and I'm using my robotic. So when I come, I trade from what do we call it? Trade from demand zone to supply zone. And then when I measure, I look at it, that from here to here, when it comes about 4% plus to this point, it's about 8%. So I have auto single, I have single, and I have cycle. So if I'm going to do single, I will do, and I measure that this guy is supposed to maybe go to 3%, I will stop at 2%. If I'm going to do a cycle, I need to see the bullishness of that particular coin, and then I will monitor when it get to appropriate resistance, then I can stop the boat or just allow the boat to run if I have a bullish bias for that week. And those are the things we just do for my futures. So instead of struggling myself, running around how the market or whatever it is, I just set my boat, allow the boat to run. So you can imagine Bitcoin from here now, and then you're looking at resistance on top here. You grab it and continue, it may go sideways and all of that. So that's the thing. Then when it comes to Forex, you still deploy the same strategy, all right? I trade Asia range and then deploy support and resistance strategy for us to amazingly make money. Okay, so please This is the summary I needed to give to us so that when you sit down with it, we'll begin to dig and break down others. So I don't summarize like this and what you need, right? Say, hey, investing, PAYNET, FMC Pay, U Trading Boat, and Radium. Of course, you may not have energy or money for everything. So, but you know the one may now appeals to you. Okay. Then we have say trading for Forex. Why I didn't bring this here? Futures, because that should be the next futures. Futures, right? Even what's it called? Futures and all right, memcoin slash low gem. All right, so now, but we use robotic for these two, so you don't need to destroy yourself so much on it. All right, so the affiliate rebate system, you trading, where trade, Arcas X, and this. So there's a summary of your activities. I know some of you are listening to me maybe on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, and all of that, and you want to be part of what I'm discussing and explaining, and you can chat up with the WhatsApp number +234 90, all right, 470. I take the number here. So +234 90 470 44998. All right. So that's the number you can chat with, and I put you through, add you to necessary group that you're supposed to be added. And then, so this summary is for the trainers. There are things I have not covered, which I'm going to cover in this physical class. Why? The different times zone suitable for which instrument, like we talk about London section, New York section, and all of that. What best instrument should I be trading in Asia section? So you have more of AUDPS, all right? AUDPS, so USD all right? So you can see much of those instruments for Forex should be trading. And now remember, we said for you to trade, first of all, what to do is that you have to go and check your news, okay? So we have news already featured. And then when you come to Forex Factory, today is Friday, and then you are going to see aspect of news that are coming, right? FMOC, employment rate, and all the like, and these are powerful news. If they are positive for US dollar, any pairs against US dollar will go down, and then US dollar will be having upper hand. And that's exactly what you need to understand. Okay. So basically, this is a summary of the whole thing we have to give to us, and so that we can work on ourselves to achieve maximum result. So if you look at it, we use different tools for the memcoin low gem crypto. Okay. Oh, wow. See this guy active. Okay. I was trading on this guy yesterday. I was just doing a testing on this, and now, okay, 14%. This one was in profit initially. Now it's down to negative. So I was in massive negative before. Now the negative has reduced. So if I go now, oh wow. So it has reduced. And there are other things you want me to check about it and all of that. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, we are moving forward. And so Plan B Express, together we rise. Bye for now.